inyo ulit. This will be the episode 4 of our daily vlog, and which is a very special day po. It's Father's Day, and sa mga tatay dyan, sa inyo, Happy Father's Day po sa inyo lahat dyan. Mostly na sa papa ko, Happy Father's Day din dyan sa Korea. So, ito, planuhan namin na magliligo kami sa Bagsit, which is a river from Palawig. And mostly family lang gathering. Hindi na kasama yung iba. So, dito mag-ano muna kami. Ito ang outfit of the day ng aking ina. Mukha siyang magti-tiktok. Ay, hala. Naglagay ka ba ng sunscreen?
Yes.
Saupo. Saupo. Ay, hala, hindi pa siya naka-ready. Hindi siya naka-ready. Oh. Alam, mag-aayos pa yan. Hindi pa siya naka-ready talaga, ay.
Basic. Naanda na yan.
Tanghaling tapat,
Bakit?
Grabe ka kami. Kanina pang 9 ka, ay kanina pa kaming sa 8 na.
Hintay mo ako! Wait mo ako! Hoy!
So, ito po yung bahay ng pinsan ko. Tsaka yung mama niya, papa niya, alangan. Ito po ang bahay na pinagawa nila. Dati po kasing kubo to. Ang mama niya po is wala here. Nasa Hong Kong. Na may tubig yun.
Oo. Basta nakaano ako. Yung sa ano, may
Ay! Hala!
dalawang bata.
Apak! Ayan. Nakulang na lang yung shade. Asan yung shade mo?
Asan pa ang shade ko? Yan na, naka-shade.
Nakalimutan niya na naman kung saan niya nilagay. Oh. Ayun! Ayun na! Oh! Mukha na siya magzuzumba.
Diyos me, yung Marimar.
Happy Father's Day to! Hello! Hindi ka rinig! Hello from Hong Kong.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling.
Eight ka pa lang. 8 pataas po kasama. May bayad pa po. May bayad pa pala. Ito, bababa. Wala pa. Sabi niya. Si Queenie lang. At saka si Red.
3.
Silas pa na. Ingat po, sir. Tabi mo yung tubig namin.
Tabi mo yan. Ay, mauuna.
palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
As always, lalakad na naman.
Balik, balik. Yung tubig, lagay mo doon sa loob, Ran. Wait, lagay mo mo yung tubig.
Layo?
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Off guard. All of my friends said you moved out west. You tell me stories underneath sunsets. Could it be more than just kissing the cat? Give it to you for whatever you choose. Drinking some red out of the blue. You say my name with your accent.
Hi guys! Kasi ngayon sa Lasa Palawig, dito yung vaccine na sinasabi nyo. And today is Sunday, kaya napakarami po ng tao. And Father's Day, ayan kung makikita nyo po yan, dyan. Lamig ng tubig! Oh my God! Lalim! Ah! Lalim! Ayaw ko na! Ang lalim!
I'm bad at pretending, you know I'll be true. Sunday mornings and midnight lights turn into songs that you watch me write. Stole your sweater on that night. You took a picture, keep by my bedside. So you're mine when you're gone, baby, please don't be long. I got my ticket to the west side. You say my name with your accent, makes me remember how much I missed you. Hope you're planning to stay for a million days. You'll be my summer in December. Hey boy, trust my intuition's all
pagkakalangoy sa bato.
Anong tono naman?
Pagkakapit sa bato. Hindi marunong lumangoy, kumapit na lang sa bato.
Would you stay till
Pagod maligo, pero worth it.
would you follow me? Or would you let it be?
Pagos ng tubig, tsaka yung lamig.
Pagod
Pagod na ako. Pagod na
Or would you stay with me now till the moonlight before you turn away?
Nauuhaw ako. Teka lang.
Know that I didn't throw your stuff away
Baka na...
before you make up your
Oh, go. Salok.
Ilang ano ang nawala sa amin? Ilang kilograms ang nabawas sa amin. Oh, dali, diretso.
told you.
Nauuhaw ate. Ay, sorry.
Just listen, I miss you. And I said all these things, but when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Just stay till the
Dito na po magtatapos ang aking vlog for today. Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod maglakad. Ang bilis. Nakakaano.
stay with me.
Sana. Dito na po magtatapos ang aking vlog for today. Nakakapagod maglakad, nakakapagod maligo, pero yung pagod ng paglalakad, worth it. Sa mga gusto pumunta dito sa Zambales, dito lang po sa Palawi, sa for the entrance fee, 50 pesos per head, pero ang libre lang po is 7 pababa. So, yun lang.